Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pixelate your face or blur it on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to choose and then you're just going to simply copy and paste that, and then you're going to go to effects and you're either going to go to lens and add in the blur, or you're going to go to comic to add in the pixel. I'm just going to this mosaic one and adjust the blur so it's not too much. Select both the effect and video, right click, create compound clip, go to mask and select circle, and you're just going to want to adjust it to the person's face like so. If you want you can feather it out, but just a little bit, you don't want too much. And if the face moves around, you're just going to keyframe it, and like if it moves, like here for instance, you're just going to move the circle, and then like here as well, you're just going to move it again, and then again to the next frame, then again here. It's totally up to you, but yeah, that is basically it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!